दोस्तों, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल बी ब्लॉग में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस। हेलोअरीन्स अंडरगो द यूजुअल इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक रिएक्शंस ऑफ द बेंजीन सच एज हैलोजनेशन, नाइट्रेशन, सल्फोनेशन और फ्रीडल क्राफ्ट रिएक्शन। साबुन हैलोजनेशन halogen atom besides being slightly deactivating is ortho and para directing. Therefore, further substitution reaction occurs as ortho and para position with respect to the halogen atom. The ortho para directing influence of halogen atom can be easily understood if we consider the resonating structure of halobenzene is shown. Due to resonance, the electron density increases more at ortho and para position than at meta position. Further, the halogen atom, because of its psi effect, has some tendency to withdraw electrons from the benzene ring. As a result, the ring gets somewhat deactivated as compared to benzene ring, and hence the electrophilic substitution reaction in halogen occurs slowly and require more drastic conditions as compared to the benzene. First, halogenation. क्लोरोबेंजीन को Cl2 करेंगे एन आप एनहाइड्रेट फिर Cl2 में 1,4 डाइक्लोरोबेंजीन मेजर प्रोडक्ट बनेगा, 1,2 डाइक्लोरोबेंजीन माइनर प्रोडक्ट बनेगा। नाइट्रेशन क्या होता है? क्लोरोबेंजीन को HNO3 कंसनट्रेटेड H2SO4 के प्रेजेंस में करेंगे रिएक्शन, तो 1 क्लोरो 2 नाइट्रोबेंजीन माइनर बनेगा, 1 क्लोरो 4 नाइट्रोबेंजीन मेजर। सल्फोनेशन, क्लोरोबेंजीन को जब कंसनट्रेट से H2SO4 सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के साथ हीट करते हैं तो 2 क्लोरोबेंजीन सल्फोनिक एसिड, 4 क्लोरोबेंजीन सल्फोनिक एसिड मेजर और माइनर परसेंटेज। फ्रीडल क्राफ्ट रिएक्शन, क्लोरोबेंजीन को CH3 से CH3 के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एनहाइड्रस Cl3, 1 क्लोरो 2 मेथिल बेंजीन मिलता है, 1 क्लोरो 4 मेथिल बेंजीन। क्लोरोबेंजीन को CH3COOCl एनहाइड्रस Cl3 तो 2 क्लोरो एसिटोफिनोन 4 क्लोरो एसिटोफिनोन बनता है। रिएक्शन विद मेथामोल्डिफिटिक रिएक्शन, ए मिक्सचर ऑफ एन अल्किल हैलाइड एंड एरिल हैलाइड गिव्स एन अल्किल एरीन व्हेन ट्रीटेड विद सोडियम इन ड्राई ईथर एंड इज कॉल्ड उल्ट्राफिटिक रिएक्शन। हैलोजन को Na+RX से ही रिएक्शन करेंगे इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ईथर तो अल्केन बन जाएगा प्लस Na। फिटिक रिएक्शन क्या होता है? एरिल हैलाइड्स आल्सो गिव एनालॉगस कंपाउंड व्हेन ट्रीटेड विद सोडियम इन ड्राई ईथर इन विच 2 एरिल ग्रुप्स आर जॉइंड टुगेदर, इट इज कॉल्ड फिटिक रिएक्शन। जब कोई हैलोजन सोडियम के साथ इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ईथर के साथ तो डाइफिनिल बनता है। दोस्तों, एक टॉपिक इसमें यहाँ पर DDT, ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। पी डाइक्लोरोफेनिल ट्राइक्लोरोइथेन DDT, the first chlorinated organic insecticide, was originally prepared in 1873, but it was not until 1938 that Paul Miller of Geigy Pharmaceuticals in Switzerland discovered the effectiveness of DDT as an insecticide. Paul Muller was awarded the Nobel Prize in Medicine and Physiology in 1948 for this discovery. The use of DDT increased enormously broad स्तर पे on a worldwide basis after World War II, primarily because of its effectiveness against the mosquito that spread malaria and like that carry typhus. However, problems related to extensive use of DDT began to appear in the late 1940s. Many species of insects developed resistance to DDT, and it was also discovered to have a high toxicity. Provides the chemical stability of DDT and its fat solubility compound the problem. DDT is not metabolized very rapidly by animals. Instead, it is deposited and stored in the fatty tissue. If injection continues at a steady rate, DDT build up within the animal over the time. The use of DDT was banned in the United States in 1973, although it is still used in some other parts of the। देखिए दोस्तों, DDT का स्ट्रक्चर फार्मूला ये भी दोस्तों इम्पॉर्टेंट है। फ्रॉम गिग्नार्ड रीजन, अल्कोहल कैन प्रोड्यूस बाय रिएक्शन ऑफ गिग्नार्ड रीजन यूनिट 10 क्लास 12 with aldehyde and ketone. The first step of reaction is the nucleophilic addition of grignard reagent to the carbon group to form an adduct. Hydrolysis of adduct aids an alcohol. Carbonyl compound plus grignard reagent RMGX CrOMgX H2O वाटर के साथ COH और MgOH तो ओवरऑल रिएक्शन यूजिंग डिफरेंट aldehydes and ketones are shown. HCHO plus RMgX RCH2O MgX in the presence of heat H2 water per RCH2OH plus MgOH RCHO plus RMgX water RCHO MgX R dash H2O in the presence of RCHR plus MgOH RCOR plus R dash MgX RC टर्सरी फिर OMgX H2O के साथ रिएक्ट करेंगे टर्सरी अल्कोहल MgHSOS प्राइमरी अल्कोहल विद मेथनॉल सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल विद अदर एल्डिहाइड टर्सरी अल्कोहल विद कीटोन्स इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एरोमेटिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन ये भी दोस्तों बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इन फिलहाल द रिएक्शन दैट टेक प्लेस ऑन द एरोमेटिक रिंग आर इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन द OH group attached to the benzene ring activates it toward electrophilic substitution and so it directs the incoming group to ortho and para position in the ring as these positions become electron rich due to the resonance effect caused by OH group. Common electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions take place in phenol are as follows. First, nitration when with dilute nitric acid at low temperature the thermocline phenol yields a mixture of ortho and para nitrophenol. Ortho and para isomers can be separated by steam distillation. Orthonitrophenol is steam volatile due to the intramolecular hydrogen bonding with para nitrophenol is less volatile due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding which causes the association of molecule with concentrated nitric acid. Phenol is converted to 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. The product is commonly known as picric acid. The yield of product is poor. Now the picric acid is prepared by treating phenol first with the concentrated sulfuric acid which it converts to 2,4-disulfonic acid and with concentrated nitric acid to get 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Halogenation on treating phenol with bromine different reaction products are formed under different experimental conditions. When the reaction is carried out in the solvent of low polar such as CH3 or CH2 and at low temperature monobromophenol are formed. और फिनाल को अल्कोहल को जब Br2 in the presence of CH2 तो minor major product. The usual halogylation of benzene takes place in the presence of leviated FeBr3 which polarizes the halogen molecule. In the case of phenol, polarization of molecule takes place even in the absence of leviated acid. It is due to the highly active ring effect of OH attached to the benzene ring. कोल्बे रिएक्शन क्या होता है Penoxide ion generated by treating phenol with sodium hydroxide is even more than reactive than phenol towards electrophilic substitution. Aromatic substitution it however it undergoes electrophilic substitution. Carbon dioxide a weak electrophile also hydrobenzoic and form the main product. फिनाल को NaOH साथ करते हैं तो NCOOH CO2 साथ करते हैं OH सैलिसिलिक एसिड. Reimer timer reaction ये भी important दोस्तों. On treating phenol with chloroform in the presence of sodium hydroxide ACHO group is introduced and ortho position of benzene. The reaction is known as Reimer timer reaction. The intermediate substitution benzyl chloride is hydrolyzed in the presence of alkali to produce salicylaldehyde. अल्कोफिनॉल CH3Cl3 क्लोरोफॉर्म प्लस NaOH साथ करते हैं तो इंटरमीडिएट बनता है. फिर जब NaOH साथ करेंगे एल्डिहाइड बनेगा. फिर उसके बाद H प्लस के साथ ट्रीट करेंगे सैलिसिल एल्डिहाइड बनेगा. विलियमसन सिंथेसिस क्या होता है दोस्तों? इट इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट लैबोरेटरी मेथड फॉर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सिमेट्रिकल एंड असिमेट्रिकल ईथर. इन दिस मेथड एन एलिसिल halide is allowed to react with sodium RS plus R dash double ONA ROR dash plus NaS ether containing substituted alkyl groups of secondary or tertiary may also be prepared by this method. The reaction involves SN2 attack of an alkoxide ion on primary electrophilic substitution. The alkoxy group OR is orthopara directing and activates the aromatic ring towards electrophilic substitution in the same way as in phenol. देखिए दोस्तों ये बेंजीन का रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर, बेंजीन का नहीं ये अल्कोक्सी ग्रुप का रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर बना हुआ है. हेलोजनेशन फर्स्ट वेनिल अल्किन अंडरगो and ethers undergo usual halogenation in the benzene ring and sol undergoes bromination with bromine in ethanoic acid even in the absence of iron bromide. Third bromide catalyst is due to the activation of benzene ring by the methoxy group. Para isomer is obtained in 90% in एनिसोल को Br2 के साथ करते हैं तो पी ब्रोमो एनिसोल ऑर्थो ब्रोमो एनिसोल मेजर माइनर प्रोडक्ट। फ्रीडल क्राफ्ट रिएक्शन एनिसोल undergo फ्रीडल क्राफ्ट reaction. The alkyl and acyl group are introduced as ortho and para position by reaction with alkyl halide and acyl halide in the presence of anhydrous ammonium chloride, Lewis acid as a catalyst. OCH3 plus CH3 Cl anhydrous Al CH2 OCH3 CH2 plus 2-methoxytoluene minor to 2-methoxytoluene major. OCH3 plus ethanol carbon chloride anhydrous Al 2-methoxyacetophenone minor 4-methoxyacetophenone major. Nitration third anisole react with a mixture of synthesis sulfuric and nitric acid to yield a mixture of ortho and para nitroanisole. So CH3 ortho H2SO4 NH3 OH OCH3 NO2 4 nitroanisole 2 nitroanisole major और minor percentage 99% to 1%। दोस्तों ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज हैं। अल्कोहल एंड फिनॉल कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 parts an alkyl aryl group and a hydroxyl group. The properties of alcohol and phenols are chiefly due to the hydroxyl group. The nature of alkyl and aryl group simply modify these properties. Boiling point. The boiling point of alcohols and phenol increase with increase in the number of carbon atoms. Increase in van der Waals forces in alcohol. The boiling point decreases with increase of branching in carbon chain because of decrease in van der Waals forces with decrease in surface area. The OH group in alcohols and phenols is involved in intermolecular hydrogen bonding as shown below. It is interesting to note the boiling point of alcohol and phenol are higher in comparison to other classes of compounds, namely the hydrocarbon, esters, ethers, haloalkanes, and halogens of comparable molecular masses. For example, ethanol and propane has comparable molecular masses, but their boiling point differ widely. The boiling point of methoxyethane is intermediate of the two boiling points. The high boiling point of alcohols are mainly due to the presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding in them and lacking in ether and hydrocarbon. Solubility of alcohol and phenol in water is due to their ability to form hydrogen bonds with water molecules as shown in figure. The solubility decreases with increasing size of the alkoxy hydrophobic group. Several of lower molecular masses alcohols are miscible with water in all proportions. Acidity of alcohol क्या होता है? The acidic character of alcohol is due to the polar nature of OH bond. An increasing electron releasing group CH3 minus C2H5 increases electron density on oxygen, tending to decrease the polarity of OH bond. The decrease of acid strength for this reason, the distribution of alcohol decreases in the following order. Alcohol acts as a Brownian base as well. It is due to the presence of unshared electron pairs on oxygen, which makes them proton acceptor. Third, acidity of phenols. The reactions of phenol with metal, sodium, aluminum, and sodium hydroxide indicate its acidic nature. The hydroxyl group in phenol is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon of benzene, which acts as an electron withdrawing group. Due to this, the charge distribution in phenol molecule is depicted in its resonance structure causes the oxygen of minus OH group to be positive. The reaction of phenol with aqueous sodium hydroxide indicates that phenols are stronger acids than alcohols and water. Let us examine how a compound in which hydroxyl group attached to the aromatic ring is more acidic than the one in which hydroxyl group is attached to alkoxy group. Due to higher electronegativity of sp2 hybridized carbon of phenol to which OH is attached, the electron density decreases and then oxygen that increases the polarity of OH bond and result in an increase in ionization of phenol than that of alcohol. In alkoxide, the negative charge is localized on oxygen, while in peroxide, the charge is delocalized. The delocalization of the negative charge makes phenoxide ion more stable and favor the ionization of phenol. Although there is also charge delocalization in phenol, its resonance structure have charge suppression due to which the phenol molecule is less stable than phenoxide molecule. In substitution of phenol, the presence of electron withdrawing groups such as nitro group enhances the acidic strength of the phenol. The acidity effect is more pronounced when such a group is present at ortho and para positions. It is due to the effective delocalization of negative charge in peroxide. On the other hand, electron releasing groups such as alkyl groups in general do not favor the formation of phenoxide ion, resulting in decrease in acidic cresol, for example, less acidic than phenol. Determine co-reaction when benzene or its derivative is treated with carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride in the presence of anhydrous ammonium chloride or cuprous chloride. It gives benzaldehyde or sulfate benzaldehyde benzene को जब COHCl anhydrous AlCl3CuCl था तो benzaldehyde मिलता है. This reaction known as Gattermann Koch reaction. इटार्ड रिएक्शन क्या होता है दोस्तों? टॉलिन को CrO2 प्लस Cl2 साथ इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ CH2 साथ करते हैं, क्रोमियम कॉम्प्लेक्स बनता है, H2 साथ करते हैं, बेंजल्डिहाइड बन जाता है. स्टेफन रिएक्शन क्या होता है? RCN प्लस SnCl2 प्लस HCl रिएक्ट करते हैं, RCH डबल बॉन्ड NH H3 को प्रेजेंट करते हैं तो अल्डिहाइड बन जाता है. दिस रिएक्शन इसका स्टेफन रिएक्शन. अल्टरनेटिवली नाइट्राइल था सेलेक्टिवली रिड्यूस्ड डाई आइसोब्यूटिल अल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड टू इमीन्स फॉलोइंग हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ एल्डिहाइड्स. रोजनमन रिएक्शन क्या होता है? बेंजिल क्लोराइड को इन द PdBSO4 H2 साथ करते हैं तो बेंजल्डिहाइड इन द. दोस्तों धन्यवाद. आज यहीं पर बस खत्म करते हैं. चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा. धन्यवाद दोस्तों.